Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear friends. Today, inshallah, we gonna start a new chapter, which in which we gonna talk about time and how to say uh, what time is it, okay, and how to read the clock, how to say what is the time, and let us see. Okay, how to deal with a clock. Okay, just give me 1 minute, please. Okay, if we have a clock like this and we need to say how much is it, how what is the time here for this clock? Okay, we have in any clock two hands. The short one, the short hand is hour's hand. This is hour's hand for the short hand. The short hand will be the hand for hours. And the long hand is minutes hand. Okay, so we have two hands in any clock, short hand for hours and long hand for minutes. Okay, to say the time, you have two steps. First, you need to know, firstly, you need to know that we have marks like this, small marks like this, and bold marks like this. Each bold mark, we're gonna find in front of each bold mark, we're gonna find a number, and we can find that the numbers are increasing or are getting more, going to clockwise, moving like this. The number is going up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's going clockwise like this. So until we reach 12, then we start from the beginning, start from 1 again. Okay, so we have small marks like this or small steps like this, each step of 1 minute. Each mark, you have 1 minute. 1 minute between two marks, two small marks like this. So this is 1 minute, another minute, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes. So between two consecutive numbers, between any number and the next number, you will have 5 minutes. They are 5 minutes. So you have between 12 and 1, you have 5 minutes. Here you have 5 minutes more. another 5, and another 5, and another 5, and another 5, and so on until you reach 12. So in 1 hour, you know that in 1 hour, you have 60 minutes. Okay, so in 1 hour, you have 60 minutes. So you have 5 12 times. You have 5 12 times. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and other 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 fives. 6 fives will be 60. You have 12 fives. I'm sorry. 12 fives will be 60 minutes. So between any number and the consecutive number and the next number to it, it will be 5 minutes. And the smallest step here is 1 minute. Small step is 1 minute. Small step is 1 minute, and so on. So we have two steps, as we said before, to read the clock, to say the time. Firstly, I need you, please, to look to the short hand. Look to the short hand. The hour's hand is very important. This hour's hand will be pointing to 2, to number 2. So it will be 2, and the clock will be 2 o'clock, and we can write it down as 02 or 2 directly, as you like. It will be written as 02. 02 is 2, no problem. And what about minutes? How many minutes after 2? Let's count. We are starting counting. We start counting from this starting point. The starting point at 12 o'clock. At 12, you will start from here. Start counting from here, from 12. So after 12, you have how many minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we found the minutes hand. So minutes hand after 5 minutes. So it will be 2 and 5 minutes, like this. The other clock that we have is 2 also. It will be 0, 2, 2. And how many minutes? We said that from 12 to 1, the next number is 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, we have another step. We have another minute. So it will be 5 plus 1 equals 6. So it will be 6 minutes. Here it will be 2 and 6 minutes. Okay, let's get more examples. Here we explain how to read the, how to say the time, using a clock. So it takes 1 minute for the minute hand to move from mark to the next mark. So between 2 marks here, we have 5 minutes. Each small step will be 1 minute. And you can find that the minutes hand is moving more quick than the hours clock, the hours hand. The hours hand is moving from a number to the next one in 1 hour. And the long hand, the minutes hand, is moving continuously each 60 seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So it will be quick to move. Okay, firstly, if we have a clock like this, and we need to know what time is it. Firstly, you can find that the short hand pointing between two numbers, between 4 and 5. So you're gonna take the smaller number. So the clock will be 4. You will take the smaller one, 4. And how many minutes? We said that each between two consecutive numbers, we have 5 minutes. So this is 5 and 5 and another 5 and another 5 and 5 and 5. So we have until we reach 6, down here, you have 6 fives. And you know that 6 multiplied by 5 equals 30. So we have 30 minutes until we reach here. We reach 6. They are 30 minutes. Then after 30 minutes, we moved 5 more. This is 5. So it will be 35. And you have 2 small steps, 1, 2. After 35, it will be 37. So it will be 4 and 37 minutes. This is so easy. And I think that you studied that before. Okay, now I need you please to join. I need you to join me, and let's see who will start. Just raise your hands please to answer. Raise your hands please. Okay, let's start with Marwan Amr. Marwan, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Marwan here, could you tell me how, okay, what time is it here? Could you say the time? Yes. You have the shorthand. The shorthand between two numbers, right?
In the short hand is 9, and the long hand 5, 10, 9, 10, 11. It's 11.
11. Let me help you. We have 5 minutes between 12 and 1. This is 5 minutes. And we have 5 minutes more until 2, until we reach 2. After 2, we have how many minutes? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 minutes. After 10, it will be what?
13.
13.
I can more be the first one.
What?
I can be tomorrow the first one.
Okay, okay, you have what you asked. No problem. Okay, Marwan, thank you. Next, we have Muad Amr. What is Muaz? Muad.
How are you, mister?
How are you, Muad?
Fine, thank you. What about you?
Fine, also, thank you.
Mister,
Muad here.
I love the math so much.
Okay, and I love you so much, yeah, Muad. Okay, Muad, could you please tell me what time is it here?
The time is 11.
11, excellent. The shorthand pointing to 11. 11, and how many minutes after 11?
After 11, 12.
No. We need how many minutes? The long hand pointing to how many minutes? Until we reach here, we reach 6. There are 30 minutes, right? Why? We said before that until we reach 6, this is 30 minutes. And the long hand is pointing to the previous
29.
Yes, the previous one is 29. Excellent. It will be 11 and 29. Excellent, yeah, Muad. And Farouk.
Yes, mister.
Farouk, how are you?
Fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm fine also, thank you. Could you tell me what time is it here, yeah, Farouk, in number 3?
It's easy. 5 o'clock and 14 minutes.
And 14 minutes. Excellent, yeah, Farouk. Okay, after Farouk, Omar Al-Gazzar. Omar, how are you?
Fine, thank you. What about you?
Fine also, thank you.
Mister, can I answer the first one tomorrow?
It will be for Marwan Amr.
But
So
Marwan didn't say I want to answer the first one.
he said, he said so.
But Mister, I didn't answer the first one ever.
You didn't do that ever? Could you please
Yeah.
give me a while, please, Omar, and I will get back to you now. Just give me a minute, please. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Omar.
Okay, Mister.
I'm sorry, Omar, for wasting your time. Could you
No
please
problem.
tell me what about the clock here? Number 4, what time is it?
This is 8.
Yes. No, no, not 8.
This is 7.
7. Okay. Here we didn't reach 8 yet. Why? Because it is before 12. We didn't reach the starting line or the starting point. So
Yeah.
before 8, before we reach 8 o'clock by a few minutes, it will be 8
By 4 minutes. By
by
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Excellent. We need more 3 minutes for 8 o'clock. Okay, so we didn't reach 8, so it will be 7, right? We still at 7. At 7 o'clock, we still at 7. 7 and how many minutes? You said we have 3 minutes to
Yeah.
reach. Okay, so we have 60 minutes in all.
57. 7 and 57.
Excellent. Minus 3, it will be 57. Perfect, ya Omar. Okay, well done. Thank you so much, ya Omar.
Yeah.
After Omar, we have I need Abdullah Ammar.
Yes, Mister. Mister, before I answer, first thing Marwan answered today the first. He should be the two. Let Omar Gazar be the first and then Marwan. Because Marwan today was the first.
Okay, I say I can see that, and you said what I mean. Okay, so let's ask let's ask Marwan. Okay, just hold on,
Yeah.
hold on.
Yeah.
Let's ask Marwan. Where is Marwan? Marwan,
I think he's not spoken.
Marwan, you started today. You was the first. Could you tell? Could you let Omar Gazzar be the first tomorrow, inshallah? I
I
gave you I
said
gave you all my word. I know, but I'm asking you.
okay.
Okay, Marwan, thank you.
And
Thank
I
you.
am the third. Because I don't want Marwan be sad, so let me the third and let him to be the second.
Yeah, this is so kind of you. Thank you so much, ya Abdullah. Thank
Yes.
you.
Now, It's pointing at 1.
Okay, it is what?
It's actually pointing at 1.
No,
1.
it didn't reach 1.
Why?
It is between 12 and 1.
12. So the clock is 12.
12 and how many minutes?
12 and wait. And 39 minutes. 39 minutes.
And 39? No, I don't think so. You have here after 30, this is 30 minutes, right?
Yeah,
Until
right.
we reach it 30 minutes. Then we
Yeah.
have 5 minutes more and
Yeah.
another 5. It will
And
be
then 5.
here it will be 40 minutes. Then after 40, we have 1, 2, 3. So
3.
it is what after 40 we
It's
have 3
40.
minutes.
It's 43.
43 like this. Excellent.
Yeah.
And thank you so much, Ya Abdullah. Thank you for your you said
My-
I was
It's okay.
I needed to say that. Okay.
Yeah.
So Ya Abdullah, thank you. So tomorrow, inshallah, Omar Gazzar, then Marwan, then Abdullah. Okay. Next question and next clock is number 6, and it will be for Mu'adh Amr.
Mr. Answer, but I can say something.
Answered. Yes. I'm sorry. What is
Mr.
What's your question? You have a question?
Yes, I can be after Abdullah.
Mu'adh, you are the same students which are starting every day. So tomorrow, inshallah, nobody ask me to be the first. Tomorrow, inshallah, nobody ask me to be the first. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Mu'adh. Mu'adh Amr, okay. I need now Amr Ibrahim. Amr?
Yes, Mister.
How are you, Amr?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm fine also, thank you. Amr, could you tell me what about this clock number 6? What time is
Okay. The time is 1:28.
1 and 28. Excellent. We can write it down as 01 and 28 minutes. Excellent. Yeah, Amr, well done. And Tuhami.
Yes.
Tuhami, next question is, what time is it here? Number 7.
Number 7.
Yeah.
10.
It is 10, yes. 10 o'clock and?
10 o'clock and 33 minutes.
No, just focus. We have 2 minutes after 30. 2 minutes only. It will be 32 only, not 33. Okay, yeah, Tuhami, well done. Thank you.
Miss,
Yes.
I want to be first one.
You want to be first one? Okay, let it to be by chance. Okay? I said nobody asked me to be the first. Not to make any disturbance for the other students. Okay, yeah, Tuhami, thank you. Let's ask now Romy Ayman. Romy?
Yes, Mister.
Romy, next question is number 8. Could you tell me what time is it?
Number 8.
Yeah. But very quick, please. It is 6 o'clock, yes. And how many minutes after 6?
6.
And 6, yes. Excellent. So 6 o'clock and 6 minutes. Excellent, yeah, Romy. Tayyim Hazim.
Hello.
Hello, Tayyim.
How are you?
The question here, I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm fine.
Okay, here the question says, write the time. We have 24 minutes after 3. After 3, as we did in all the previous. All of them are after. We don't have any problem with after. If you said after, it is easy. How to write it down like this?
Okay, he said 24 minutes after 3 hours.
Yeah, after 3. So
It will be 24 minutes also.
yeah. We need to write it down like this. How? What is the hour? What is the exact hour? He said 24 minutes. After what?
3 hours.
After 3. So it is 3.
Yeah.
And what?
And 24.
Just like that. It is so easy, right?
Yeah, right.
So if you have after, so it will be so easy. Thank you, Tayyim. The only problem that we have here is before. If you have the question says before, it will be a little bit different. So, Muhammad Al-Harbi, could you help me, please? Muhammad. Okay, Amir.
Yes, Mister.
Amir, how are you? Amir.
Thank you.
Amir, we have here before. Okay, so he said 13 minutes before 9, right? Amir. Okay, Amir, I can't hear your voice.
Yes.
Okay, you have a connection problem, as I think. Omar.
9 o'clock.
This is connection problem. Okay. Adam Ismail.
Yes, Mister.
Adam, we have this question says before. If you have the word of before, I will tell you all how to solve it very easily. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So if you have before, the word before, you
Before.
can write down 60. 60 minus the number of minutes. How many minutes here? He said how many
9.
minutes?
13.
13. So 60 minus 13 equal
60 minus 13. 47.
47. Excellent. It will be 47. You can make a draft if you like. So it is 47 minutes. So write it down in minutes digit like this. 47. And he said before 9. What is the number before 9?
8.
8. It will be 8 and 47 minutes. Is it easy or not?
Easy.
Easy. If you find before, so it will be 60 minus minutes. 60 minus the number of minutes. Okay. And before means the number before. Just like that. Okay, Adam, well done. Thank you. Ahmed Al-Shinnawi.
Yes, Mister.
Ahmed, could you answer number 11 like the previous one?
7 o'clock and 1 minute.
You said what? Again, please.
7 o'clock and
No. Just hold on. He said 7 minutes, not 7 o'clock. He said
okay. 1 o'clock over 7 minutes.
Just hold on, ya Ahmed. We said if you have before, you have the word before, right? Ahmed.
12.
Yes. What is before one? Before one.
1
Before 1 was 12. Yeah, so it will be. And how many minutes? Just write down 60 minus the number of minutes. The number of minutes here is how many minutes? 7. So 60 minus 7 equal 63. 53. Yes, excellent. It will be 53. So we have 53 minutes, just like that. Okay, Ahmed, well done. Thank you. And the last question, it will be for Ahmed Saleh.
Yes, Mister.
Ahmed, the last question, please. Could you help me with it?
Yes.
Says, which one doesn't belong? Which time does not belong with the other three? So we need to write them all like this. Could you? This is 27 minutes after 4. Do we have any problem with after?
Yes.
You have after, it is so easy. So write it down directly. You don't have any problem. How to write it down like this? This is 27 minutes after 4.
Yes.
So how to write it down?
4.
4, yes, it will be 4. And after means and. And how many minutes?
33 minutes.
33. No, this is after.
20.
We just copy in after. After is easy.
27.
27, like this. And the next one is 5 and 33. And next one here is 33 minutes before. But here we have before. So what is the problem with before? We have 2 steps. Firstly, what is the number before 5?
4.
4. So it will be 4 o'clock and how many minutes? Let's write down 60 minus. 60 minus how many minutes that we have in the question?
30. 27. 33.
Equal
27.
27. Excellent. It will be 4 and 27 minutes. Okay. The last one here is a clock, a real clock. Could you tell me how to write it down? What is the time here?
Time.
Yes.
4 hours.
And how many minutes?
27 minutes.
27 also. So which is different? Which one is different? 1, 2, 3, or 4?
2. 2.
2 is different. Yes, 2 is different. Excellent. So the only one will be different is 2. It is different to the other 3. So we must have the same way to write down the clock like this, to write down the time like this, in the same way to compare, so that 5 and 33 will be different to the other 3. Excellent, yeah, Ahmed, well done. Thank you. And by this question, we finished our lesson for today. I'm sorry for taking extra minutes. Thank you. Have a nice day and Assalamu alaikum. I love you so much. Bye bye.